Welcome to Week 10 of Recruitment, Selection, and Personnel Planning. Today we're going to review a few key concepts covered in Chapter 8, Reliability and Validity. Two properties of a good measure or a test is its reliability, or how it consistently assesses a characteristic, and its validity, or whether it is measuring what it is saying it is measuring. Let's look at page 215 in Chapter 8 to learn more about reliability and validity. Reliability is critical in testing or assessing procedures like the hiring process. The test or instrument you use must be reliable or provide the same or similar score no matter how many times you take it. If you do score differently, then we can look at your psychological state, physical state, the environmental factors like noise or temperature, whether you received different versions of the testing instrument, and if it was hand graded, whether you had evaluators with different skill levels. If all factors are consistent, then your score on an assessment taken on Monday should be similar to the score on the same assessment when you take it Wednesday. The reliability of a measure is indicated by its reliability coefficient, expressed as a number between 0 and 1. The closer the reliability coefficient is to 1, the more repeatable or reliable the scores on the test. You could use test-retest to determine reliability, but this usually only works for constructs like mechanical ability and personality. You would not measure mood or anxiety because that can change over time. The next key concept is validity, and it is found on page 220. Validity is important because if you require an applicant to take a test, you better be sure it is measuring what you say you are testing. If you are testing intelligence by asking someone to alphabetize words, then you are not measuring intelligence and the test would not be valid. Validity is the most important issue in selecting a measure or test to use. It assesses a given construct, like intelligence, and measures the degree to which you can make specific conclusions or predictions based on observed scores. When you take the intelligence test and score 115, we can conclude that you have an above average intelligence. Validity also uses the measure 0 to 1 to determine if there is a relationship between a predictor, like a test score, and the criterion being measured, like success on the job. If it is closer to 1, then the test is measuring an attribute, skill, or other variable that has been proven to lead to success on the job. Any testing procedure used in the hiring process must meet the reliability and validity criteria in order to be used. Most human resource professionals are able to use tests that have already been proven by psychologists to test what the test is meant to test and has shown reliability in creating consistent scores when the same person takes the test over time. I hope this video has helped you with these key concepts for Chapter 8, Reliability and Validity.